Hi guys, this is Mohamed Razin from Tamil Nadu. I just wanted to share my experience on Jackson's Elementor Workshop, which I recently attended last week. So in this workshop, I think you will learn a lot of things about WordPress and Elementor. Like literally, you can build a website after this workshop, and you can also build a website for your clients if you want. So basically, in this workshop, it's a 6 days workshop, and in day one, like you will learn the basics of Elementor, like what is Elementor and how they have come up to this level and everything stuff like that. And after that, you will learn about each and every elements of Elementor. So basically, like sections and widgets, how you can create a whole website using Elementor. So on day one, you will learn a lot of things about each and every elements, and in the next days, coming days, you will learn about landing page and creating your whole website, how you can use add-ons. Apart from Elementor, there are a lot of add-ons which Jackson will be teaching you, and you will also learn more about pop-ups and header footer, like how you can create a custom header and custom footer for your website or a landing page, right? So I think this workshop is an amazing overall experience for me, and I recommend this program to you because Jackson is a great guy. I happened to talk to him recently. Like he has told me he have built more than 300 websites for his client from his digital marketing agency. So I think he has a lot of experience, and why don't you learn from a mentor who has a lot of experience in WordPress web designing, specifically Elementor, right? So I guess you'll get a lot of value in building a website and starting your WordPress journey.